Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Shopify app. First, you need to understand the two main types: public apps, available to all merchants, and custom apps built for a single store. Next, choose your preferred development stack, perhaps Ruby on Rails, Node, JS with React, or Python with Django. Finally, set up your development environment, installing tools like Node, JS, NPM, and a code editor. This foundational work is crucial for a smooth development process. Once your environment is ready, register your app in the Shopify Partner Dashboard to obtain API keys and secrets. This is a critical first step. Then, implement the OAuth authentication flow, which allows merchants to securely grant your app permission to access their store data. Concurrently, begin developing your app's core functionality, including its user interface and the backend logic that processes data and interacts with Shopify's APIs. This forms the operational heart of your application. Connecting to Shopify's data is next. The Admin API is your primary tool for managing store resources like products, orders, and customers. For customer-facing features, the Storefront API provides access to public store data. Additionally, integrate webhooks to receive real-time notifications when specific events occur in a merchant store, such as a new order or product update. This ensures your app stays synchronized and responsive to store activities, enhancing its overall utility and performance. The final stage involves rigorous testing to ensure your app is robust and user-friendly. Test every feature, edge case, and user interaction to catch any bugs or issues. For public apps, prepare your listing for the Shopify App Store, including compelling descriptions and screenshots. Finally, deploy your app to a secure and scalable hosting platform, such as Heroku, Oz, or Google Cloud, ensuring it can handle merchant traffic efficiently. This completes the journey from idea to a live, functional Shopify app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.